Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Save the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint to enable link sharing and real-time access. In Excel, for the web, open the file and use the share command in the upper right to start the link process. Choose whether people in your organization, specific people, or anyone with the link can access the file and set view or edit permissions. Click Copy Link to place the URL on your clipboard, then paste that URL into email, chat, or a document so recipients can open the workbook directly. If you work in desktop Excel, use File Save As and choose a OneDrive or SharePoint location so the file syncs and link creation is available. Then click Share, select a permission level such as Can Edit or Can View, and choose Copy Link to grab the shareable URL. For added control, click Link Settings to require sign-in, set an expiration date, or disable download. These controls apply to Microsoft 365 files stored on OneDrive or SharePoint and help maintain security when sharing with external users. You can paste the copied link into an email or embed the workbook in a web page using the Excel Online Embed URL or an iframe for a view-only presentation. Manage access by returning to OneDrive or SharePoint, opening the file's share dialog, and adjusting or revoking links. Deleting a link instantly stops access. If recipients cannot open the workbook, verify that they have the required permission, that sign-in requirements are met, and that the file is stored in OneDrive or SharePoint rather than a local drive. Then resend an updated link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.